Today I'm making moi moi, a popular snack or side dish in Nigeria. Happy tasting! These are the ingredients I will be using. Blend the peeled beans and add the broth to make the blending smoother. You can substitute the broth with water. Add some broth or water to the finely blended beans and stir. Add salt to taste. I needed just half a teaspoon. Add 2 tablespoons of palm oil and half of the shrimps. Stir. Add your spices of choice and the rest of the shrimps. I added ground spicy pepper for the tropical taste. Add the chicken gizzards. By the way, you are free to use other small fillers like fish, meat, etc. as you wish. Experimenting always brings forth great ideas and results. I'm going to use tin cans I've been recycling and saving to heat up my moi moi. I never throw things away unless I can't think of an alternative use for them. It saves money and helps the environment. Evenly divide the blended and spiced up beans into 6 cans. Add the sliced boiled eggs as crowns to the tasty jewel of the near future. Place the cans in a cooking pan and add some water. Make sure the water covers just about 1/3 of the pan. Steam up on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. Voila! Your delicious moi moi is ready for you to taste. For a good measure, I'm eating the moi moi as a side dish to my rice and stew dinner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bon appetit!